What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So I got an old pickup. It's a Jordan 1. Got the black with the red Nike. Size label Air Jordan 1 High OG Defiant. Got the SB paper, the white paper, you got the all black bottom. I'm not gonna go too in depth because this is a older pickup. I got these at a good price. So you got the off-white midsole, black bottom, purple around the toe box, the eyelids, the ankle, and the back. You have the gold swoosh, white side panel, or like a off-white cream type color. It's not like a full-on white. Toe box, same thing. You have your off-white cream tongue, the cream tab with the black Nike SB. You don't have no wording behind the tongue like the typical Jordan 1s do. Comes with black laces in the shoe already. Black sock liner, white insole with the black Nike SB. And you do get that SB insole. If you have any SB, you know that you have this unit back here, and the insole is pretty thick. I do already own the Paris to New York. I'm gonna link that in the video right here in the eye. These are pretty dope. I love this colorway. I didn't get it on first release because I struck out on them, but I got them for a good price. So this, I don't think I'm gonna rub the paint off this. Maybe if I had like 2 pair, I probably would do one, but for this I'm gonna just leave it just like this with the purple. I think it's pretty dope, and it got the red peeking out. As you can see, we have 3 extra laces back here. We have red, purple, and the cream laces. I'm probably gonna put the cream laces in there. It's either gonna be the black or the cream laces. But for the on foot, I'm probably gonna do 1 black and 1 cream. So stay tuned for that. So it's not gonna be too much of a long video because this is an older pickup. So I just want to do a quick little review, and I am gonna hit y'all with that on foot. So like this video and stay tuned for that on foot.